Hello, hello students. Today I am Kunna from Kunna's Horizon. Want to state that today I am going to teach you something about mathematics, and the chapter's name is interest. And the chapter's name is interest. I just again want to tell you that never forget to subscribe the channel before seeing or after seeing. And if you are seeing, go through the video from the start to the end thoroughly so that you can understand the topic nicely. So now let us start with the chapter interest. Again I am telling you, never forget to subscribe. Subscribe the channel, then only we will be encouraged and we will able to give you the maximum in our hands. So the chapter is interest. The chapter is interest. What do you know? What do you mean by interest? Interest is the profit earned by giving and taking of money. If a person is giving some money, then he or she also wants some amount of profit, and this profit is interest. Interest is the amount of profit earned by giving or taking money. Giving or taking money. This interest is of two types. Interest is of two types. One is simple interest and the other one is compound interest. Compound interest. So first we will read about simple interest. Simple interest in simple interest we have some terms. That is, number one is principal. The money lended to a borrower is known as principal. Then number two, is rate. Number two is rate. The rate is the amount of profit earned per 100 compared to the rate is the amount of profit earned per 100 and in for a certain time. Number 3 is time. It is the time for which the money is lended. The money is lended. It is the time for which the money is lended. If it is yearly, then it is per annum. If it is monthly, then it is per month. And if it is weekly, then it is per week. That means if then number 4, amount. It is the sum of the principal and the interest which the borrower pays to the moneylender. To the moneylender. Again, I am telling you, amount, it is the sum of the principal and the interest which the borrower pays to the moneylender. Now we will see about the formulas, how we will calculate the interest. Simple interest is equal to P into T into R by 100. For example, if principal is given 50 rupees, time is given 2 years, rate is given 5% per annum. Per annum means interest is calculated yearly. So this is a simple interest is equal to 50 into 2 into 5 into 1 by 100. This is equal to P into T into R into 1 by 100. So 50, 52 ja 100, 2, 2. So this is equal to 5 rupees. This is the interest. Then for calculating P is equal to SI into 100 by R into T. SI into 100 into R into T. So this is equal to, for example, if time is 2 years, rate is equal to 5% per annum, 5% per annum, and simple interest is equal to 5 rupees. Then we will calculate the P by SI into 100. 5 into 100 by rate. Rate is equal to 5 into time. Time is 2 years. 5 cancel, 200 cancel. This is equal to 50 rupees. So this is for P. Then we will see about time. How do we calculate the time? In case of the time, there are many ways. So for example, if time, the formula for time is SI into 100 by R into T. So SI into 100 into by R into P. R into P. For example, if SI is equal to 50 rupees, rate is equal to 5%, P is equal to SI is equal to 5 rupees, rate is equal to 5% and P is equal to 50 rupees. Then time is equal to SI into 100 by R into P. So this is equal to 5 into 100 by R. What is R? 5 into 50. So 52 is 100, 5 cancel. So this is equal to 2 years. Rate is given 5% per annum. So it is 2 years. Then the rate. How will we calculate the rate? Rate is equal to SI into 100 by P into T. So if SI is equal to 5 rupees, rate is equal to 5% per annum. Rate is not given. So SI is equal to 5 rupees. Time is equal to 2 years. Time is equal to 2 years. P is equal to 50 rupees. P is equal to 50 rupees. At that case, rate is equal to SI into 100, means 5 into 100 by P. P is 50 into T. T is 2 years. So 5, 0 cancel, 2, 5. So rate is equal to 5% per annum. So this is about all the formulas of this chapter 1. Then again, for example, then number 5.1 is amount. Amount is equal to P plus SI. P plus SI. So this is equal to, if the principal is P is equal to 50 rupees and the calculated SI is equal to 5 rupees, then amount will be equal to 50 plus 5, that is equal to 55. That is equal to 55. So in the next step we will learn about some conversation. Conversation means if the time, some conversation. So if the time, number one, if time is given in months, to convert 2 years, we have to divide it by 12. Number 2, if the time is given in weeks, to convert to years, we have to divide it by 52. Number 3, if time is given in days, to convert to years, we have to divide it by 19 years. In days, convert it, divide it by 365. This happens when time is given in months and rate is given in per annum, and these three, in three of the case, rate is given in per annum, means yearly. That means the rate, whatever may be the rate, that is the profit earned per year. So if the time is given, in that case, if the time is given in months, divide it by 12, then go for the calculations. If the time is given in weeks, divide it by 52, then go for the conversion calculations. Then if the time is given in days, divide it by 365, then go for the calculations. And in the other cases, there is no changes. Same, take the P rate and then convert the time accordingly, and then put the formula, get the answers. So this is the part 1 of the interest, and in the next part, uploading part, we will come with the compound interest, and that remember, go through the lessons and read the video from the starting to the ending, then only you will gain. And never forget to subscribe. Never forget to subscribe. Subscription is the main thing. This should be done by you. Then only we will be encouraged to teach you, and the channel will grow. And if the channel will grow, your knowledge will grow. And this happens only if you will continue the chain of subscription. The chain of subscription. Remember, the chain of subscription.